Here to talk about the website Image Gallery. On your website, you should have a page called Image Gallery. Remember, over here on the right hand side, when you click pages, you'll see the plus, so you can add your pages, and you should have 4. Here on Image Gallery, we're going to go to Insert and come down to Image Carousel. When I click Image Carousel, I get the browser to insert the images to be in the carousel. Let's make some. Here in Photoshop, I have my flower sack art project. I've opened up the GIFmation, and here I have 4 layers. I'm going to take layer number 1, and using File, we're going to come down to Export, Save for Web. Normally we talk about the presets up here, but today I want to talk about image size. Here in image size, I want my image to be in the 600 wide to 480 high zone. Now I can do that by coming in here and typing in my numbers directly. I can compare qualities of JPEGs. So here I have a low compression. Let's take a look at the woman in the white dress. We're going to zoom in 200%. Here I have a low quality JPEG, a high quality JPEG, and a maximum quality JPEG. And as I move it around, I see the file size, and I can see the clarity of the woman's face. I'm going to make my selection and save. It's important that I change the name, and I locate this in a folder specifically for my website. On the desktop, I've created a folder called Web Ready, and we're going to call this I'm going to call it Gallery 3. I've done a few tests already. I want to make sure I only have 1 period in the file name. Save. Here in Google, I'm going to select Image Carousel, and using the plus, I'm going to upload my images. Here is Gallery Test 3, the picture I just created. Upload image. Okay, I've got a few others. I'm going to go ahead and include them as well. I want to enlarge the carousel so that it expands across the bottom. And when I click preview, I'm going to see the arrows on the right and the left hand side of the screen, which will allow me to flip and see the different pictures. One more time.